Hello, everybody, and I would like to welcome you all to Technical Tuesdays, Volume 16. Yes, Volume 16. Damn, so many volumes. It's gone so fast. But yes, 16th volume now, 16th episode, and it has been an absolute pleasure. Again, time and time and time again, coming with some quality analysis, and lots of people are learning, lots of people are making money, and so forth. And we've just had a great week already, which I'm going to go through in a moment. Again, guys, I think the last time I uploaded Technical Tuesdays, again, it was a day or so late. I actually did do Technical Tuesdays yesterday, and I had some amazing forecasts, and literally all of my forecasts came in, which I'll go through that in a moment. But when I came to upload the file, my voice sounded like a mouse or a little ant or something, so I couldn't really upload that one. So here I go again. Okay, it's currently 6 p.m. 29th of October 2014. Again, coming to the end of this month. We're going to be at Christmas soon. This is just crazy times flying. Astro Effects are flying. We're going to new levels now. We've got so many things in the pipeline, one of which I can't really let you into at the moment. But with the mentoring, with our own trading, with the analysis, with so many people coming to us and asking us, watching our videos, following our trade, recommendations on the Twitter, the Instagram, the YouTube, etc., we now decided to take it to a whole new level. We're going to go for something, create like a community where people can come each and every day to look at analysis, look at the news, look at our, we've been actually invited by a very, very big firm to come and, be one of the prime analysts, so to speak, on one of their actual websites. I'm not going to give too much away, but we've got something huge coming, and we're looking to actually, get it off the ground fully by around January 2013. So yeah, Astro Effects once again, we're coming with something entirely unique, and it's for the traders, by the traders. So that's all I'm going to just reveal right about now. Okay, so I'm currently on the Instagram page here. If you're new to Technical Tuesdays, follow us on Instagram because we're always active on Instagram. Updates, just general lifestyle, trade recommendations, price action, and so much more. But okay, so let me just go through. Let's start with this week. Okay, so I woke up this week, looked at the market, and there were two very nice trade setups that I was actually, considering. I was short pound last week on the counter trend line break, which I'll go through on the charts in a moment. And I held it 100 odd pips, and then I took another short. It bounced back up. I got stopped out, but I did take 102 pips overall in total. Then I re-entered earlier on, and I re-entered last night. Sorry, just after the rollover. And yeah, it came through very, very nicely. Now I've just took 70% off my position, and I'm letting the rest roll. So I'm just going to go onto the Instagram here because this is where I had the charts recorded. Okay. Okay, so this was Euro USD last week, 1.2610 TP1. That target one was hit, and then we did see some choppy little minor correction back to the upside, and we came and tested 200 MA again. Again, I'm going to go through this on the charts in a moment, but boom, it's come back down now. I think we're going to be going for target 2. Okay, so gold. I did actually post gold 2 days ago. Hope everyone having a great day. Currently traveling and thought I'd drop some analysis. Besides cable on the short side of things, bearish on gold. Potential top has been formed in accordance to my analysis. Again, I'll go through it in a moment, but yeah, around 12.25 to 12.30s. This is when I first put this analysis up. Target 1, 12.04, 12.05, and then target 2, 11.82. And we're just nearly hit target 1. Hopefully that's going to hit by the end of today. So that's about 150 pips there for everybody. And what else do we have? We also have the GBP USD at 6 hours ago. Sterling shorts favoured 1.6010 downside target. Now we just hit that to the T, and I'm going to go over that in a moment. But yeah, I do favour more downside on the sterling, which I'm going to go through in a minute. But yeah, gold and sterling, both shorts, and here are the aftershots. Here is GBP USD, 1.6010 achieved, boom, 1.5880, next downside target, and gold, here we go, nearly. I think we're currently trading around 12.10s, but yeah, they're the best trades of the week so far. Did a little bit of shopping this week, had a little bit of fun on the weekend, got a tattoo today. The trouble is, you think you have time. Famous quote from Buddha right there. I like to apply that one into my own mindset in the market. Instead of getting ahead of yourself, thinking, oh, the market's going to go away, you need to make a million overnight. I just look at that quote and think, okay, yeah, I've actually got time in this game. Okay, it's always good to have a little bit of a reminder of what's real. Right now, again, guys, new people, website astrofxc.com. Got a few updates on here. Results page, got some new MyFX books, UK course, non-UK course, etc. So that's that. Okay, so let's just get back to the charts. Right, I'm going to start off with Euro USD. Euro USD. So here was a setup that you've just seen on the Instagram. It was this CTL break. This was target one. As you can see, it was hit, bounced back up, capped again by the 200 MA right here. Okay, and we could have also dragged a Fibonacci from this high to this high, and again we were capped by the 61.8 as well on this way. So A, B, C, D. Next downside target for Euro USD, I can safely say it will be 1.2530. Okay, if we get a break of that, we are going lower. That's just a 4-hour chart, so let's just go to the daily. Okay, so daily time frame here. As you can see, we've got the cloud still bearish. We're just having swings. We are currently in a range at the moment, though. We just mark on this range. This range here. Okay, we need to break the lower boundaries of 1.2500, and then we will see lower. Okay, I'm actually gunning for 1.21 and then 1.2. All right, so if as you can see today's candle, if we can close that, that's a big bearish engulfing. We're engulfing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of price action. So that's a big shift in momentum back to the downside. So that's that. And again, if we can go to the weekly bigger picture, if this can close, we're spiking this moving average right now. Okay. For you guys who've been following me the longest, I mean, I just follow these pairs. I just live them out. Again, guys, try not to get confused with 100 different currency pairs because you don't know what the hell's going on. Keep it plain, keep it simple. As you can see, big the weekly trend line break here, this white line break. First target was 0.2 of the trend line. We've hit that. We've broken through it, and we've been retesting that support level as resistance. 1, 2. This could be our third one ready to go. And dependent on how this weekly candle closes, it'd be great if we could close around here at 1.2530, and then it's terrible for the Euro USD. But yeah, technicals. That's all I'm interested in, really. Technicals paint the picture to everything in my mind and in the forex field. This is my experience. I love technicals. And yeah, target 1 was 0.1 of the trend line, and then we can even go on to the monthly confluence of 200 moving average and historical levels of support there. So Euro USD down we go. 1.2500 next downside target, which is around 130 pips. Right, Aussie. Many people have been saying, oh, Aussie's breaking out to the highs. Okay, so if we actually just look at this here, 0.8900, that was a high. This is a new monthly high which is made today. It spiked above that but was rejected sharply. And again, the overall it's still in bearish territory, which I'll get to in a moment on the bigger time scale. But triangles sometimes have a tendency to have a false breakout. This, if this can close and bearish down here, that's a false breakout for me. If we can close back below this level here, just around here at 0.8750, so all systems go to the downside on Aussie. As you can see, this range is held. We would not be buying unless we've seen a clean break above this range, because that is daily resistance. It's not like rocket science, but you can see, okay, you see this range play here. All I've done is took the height of that range, added onto that, and see what other confluences. The orange line here is in fact a weekly Fibonacci, which I'll get to in a moment. But yeah, downside, break of 0.8640, we're going to 0.8400. I think we've got 380 pips of the downside on Aussie dollar. Okay, let's go over to the daily. Again, retest. This looks like characteristics of a shooting star, bearish engulfing. Had a slight crossover. If this MA and Kijun crossover can dip back down to the downside, then this pair's looking like hell. Again, let's just go to the weekly. I've been saying this for about 3 weeks now, 4 weeks. You can go back in my posts and my videos. A, B, C, bearish Harry after 50% retracement. Okay, we got the descending channel. We're capped by this MA once again. This MA is the Voodoo MA. Yes, that's right, the Voodoo MA for those guys who can share that joke with me. But anyway, boom. Yeah, we've got this Fibonacci D 0.8400 in confluence with historical levels of support. So simple. So simple. Right, GBP USD. People want to buy GBP USD, but fail to realize lower high, and we did in fact create a new lower high here because look, only by a few pips, but it was a lower high. We had the reversal of the 200 MA also. Now we've hit 1.6010. A few hours ago I posted that up when we were trading around 1.6130, 1.6150. Okay, downside targets for this now are 1.5880 on the 4 hour. As you can see, it is a kind of range also, but we'll never be buying this pound, not at all. Why? Because we go onto the daily time frame and it's still playing out Fibonacci. It's still, you know, A, B, C retracement, shooting star, Kijun, MA still open, cloud bearish. Even though, you know, we did have an inverted. I wouldn't have classed it as one myself, but an inverted head and shoulders pattern, but didn't break the neckline. Rejected the neckline. Boom. Close like this. Very strong close. Again, similar scenario to Euro USD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 or 6 days engulfing, and then we have confluences round here. 1.5750. I could probably say 95% is going to come down to that level. 1.5750, 250 pips there for you guys, and then 1.5600 because we also have weekly levels here. Again, my magic Voodoo MA spiked it, coming straight back down, cloud crossover to the downside. So simple. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay, so Euro Yen, this is a bit of a tricky one though. Euro Yen for you guys again, 134 my target. I think we came to 134.10, just missed my TP by 10 pips. Shame. And then we had some violent movement. Okay, so if we could class this as a trend line, breakout, retest, continuation. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, so what we need to actually, to go long on this pair, we would have to have a clean break above this level. Simple. Clean break above that level. Buy, buy, buy. On the other hand, get a channel. Oops. So I'm going at a rapid pace today because I've got so much to do. Here we go. Upper channel, lower channel boundaries. But yeah, Euro Yen. Here, all the way back down to here, 134s if we're bearish. But the bigger picture actually does look a little bit, a bit more interesting than this. If we can sustain and break above 138, okay, as you can see, today's candle, it's been squeezed up. It looks like it's just ready to form some huge upside movement, maybe coming all the way back up to 141s. But what I'm really interested in now, which erase all of this mess, is in fact the weekly chart. Alright, weekly chart, boom, support, pin bar, pin bar. This could be the third. After the moon, to the moon, to the damn moon. We'll get a crossover to the upside on the Kijun and EMA. Could get the cloud crossover back to the upside as well. So this is what I'm going to be looking for. That could have been the false break. Boom. We found some good amount of support here. Strong support. But yeah, breakout to the upside maybe. We're looking at 144s, 145. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Again, but I'm just reading price action right now. I believe price can tell us everything in this market as it's 95% technically pure. Whereas other markets, you might need to read some fundamentals. And you always get people talk about fundamentals. You know, on these documentaries, people trying to trade Federal Reserve news, so-called professionals, and so on. That's just going to put you in an early grave. Your adrenal glands are probably popped with so much stress. So just read technicals, stay away from major news, and it's all systems go. So that's that. Euro Yen, gold. Let's just run over gold briefly. All right. So why did I go short gold? First of all, 1-2 extended trend line, false break, breakout, kind of a retest scenario, but as a new high. Then boom, we've come back down. So what we could have done here was simply take trend line. There's another break there. Crossover just beforehand as a warning. Riding on a 200 MA, sliding, 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 boom, snap. 1204, 1205 is downside targets. I think the low of the day is at 1207. This will probably come in tonight. So target 1 and then target 2, 1183. Bigger picture, daily, we were in fact capped by this level. Oh, here, that level here, this bit, strong resistance. Then that was our form to get ready. Boom, bearish engulfing. That was our form to get ready to, get ready for the break. Add extra confluences on, come down to lower time frames with our high time frame bias and just nail it. So yeah, this is looking kind of nasty right now, to be honest. If take out 1183, it's going to go lower. Weekly was quite an interesting one. Let me just remove all of this junk again. Okay, weekly. This is what I was looking at on the weekly. Cloud has tried to cross over to the upside a few times, but failed. Zoom all the way in. Gold. Breakout, retest, continuation, shooting star, last week's close. Write that down in your journal. Shooting star, gold, resistance, bias for the whole week, bearish. Now we could be getting a continuation. Monthly, yeah, as you can see, the monthly, boom, clean break. Could that be the retest? And then the continuation to the downside. In order to find a downside target for gold, I would have to use my brain a little bit. Let's have a go. Wait there. Take that as resistance. What we could do is take the height of that range. Market moves in legs. Legs 11. Boom, boom, boom. There's the next level of support is 1154s. And we could do that again, probably to 10. I actually think gold. Remember, trade what you see, not what you think. But I do think gold could come to probably 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. And then if it does, boom, it's time to start to buy physical gold bullion. Just wait for the world to crumble on its knees. And watch this price spike down, make all new highs, 1,900, 2,500, 3,000s the next few years. But we'll get to that. Cross that bridge when we come to it, yeah? So anyway, weekly bearish, Euro USD 1.2s, sell, sell, sell. Aussie, watch that. Pound, sterling, def. Euro yen's looking kind of long. It's actually looking kind of long. Nice clean break above that. Yeah, I think we could easily come to revisit 144s, then 146s. But yeah, that's it for the analysis today, guys. I'm going to keep up to date with the Instagram. We're getting so many comments recently, lots of new followers, so many emails saying, we've had people who can't really afford the course yet. They want to do the course. They come into the realization that the universities and all that kind of junk is just, it's not going to cut it. I've been talking from my own experience as well. So yeah, we're more than welcome. Give a lot away for free. Get you involved. A lot of people watch us for substantial amounts of time and realise, okay, these guys are coming with some consistent analysis time and time again. Okay, so on the last note, guys, my book. Many of you guys know about my user book, my user guide to balance. Yeah, I have actually finished it. You can go to userlife.com and actually order the book here. Get your copy as a PDF. Not PDF, ebook format, sorry, and there's a hard copy. It's £15 for the hard copy. And yeah, that was a lot of pain and struggle to actually put that book together, but I do, in fact, sort of like goal set, and there's too much to go into here, but you can find more details on this page here. And you can actually go on and you can actually just click the 3 sections and it will give you a pop-up. I'm on my Mac at the moment, I'm not sure if it's going to work. It'll pop up and it'll give you an insight into each chapter and so on. We've got so much more coming. We've got some juicing videos coming, superfoods, just loads. It's all about mental clarity, it's all about self-betterment, goal setting, reaching your targets, and just becoming whatever you want to be in life and so forth. So yeah, please guys, check it out. Okay, so on that note, I'm going to close everything down and I wish everybody a pitful week. Okay, so I hope that analysis helps and I will see you guys soon.